my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in GK video, and this is my first video of this week. Children, in this video, once again, I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 23, and the name of the chapter, The Things We Do. Yes, children, this is also very interesting, and this topic already I taught you. So once again, I am going to make you revise. Children, yes, today you all will learn about the verbs, doing words or action word. Yes, children, all are same. And what do you know about this, children? Yes, do whatever we do, okay, they tells us us what people, animals or things do. Okay, like right now, teacher, children, I am what teaching. So okay, so I am teaching by what teaching. So teach is a what action word. You all are listening, so listen is a action word. And also, children, you all are watching video, so watch is a action word. So whatever we do, children, all are called action words or doing words. So children, today you all will have to fill the action words, okay, in blank space. So without wasting our time, children, let's start. And with hope, children, you will fill you all will fill in very easy way. Okay, like children, the picture it is already it has given. You just see the picture and you will have to fill the blank space. Like first one is here, we dash in water. Children, what we do in water, children? Yes, as you can see in this picture, this boy is swimming in water. This boy is swimming in water. So what, which is action word? Yes, swim. Swim is a action word. So you will have to fill we swim in water. So swim is spelling SWIM, swim. We dash at night. Children, already I taught you in science, children, early to bed and early to rise. So children, you should sleep at night on time. Okay, so we dash at night. Okay, what do we do? Yes, we sleep at night. SLEEP, sleep. In this picture, this girl is sleeping. So their sleep is a what action word. So we sleep at night. What you all will have to fill? Sleep. SLEEP, sleep. Now after the third number, we dash at clowns. Yes, children, what? When we see clowns, we laugh on him. Okay, so we dash at clowns. What you all will say? We laugh at clowns. Spelling LAUGH, laugh. Laugh is a what? Laugh is also action word. So LAUGH, laugh. We laugh at clowns. Now we dash perfume. Yes, children, perfumes smells are very what pleasant. Okay, so what we do? Yes, we smell perfume. Okay, so what you all will have to write there? Perfume. Sorry, we dash perfume. You will write here we smell perfume. SMELL, smell perfume. Okay, we dash water. Yes, children, we should drink plenty of water. Okay, so what? In our body there are 20% is water. Okay, so we dash water. We drink water. DRINK, drink. We drink water. So drink is what? Drink is a action word. Once again, we dash in water. In water. So there you will write what? Swim. SWIM, swim in water. We dash at night. We sleep at night. SLEEP, sleep. Okay, children, so you will have to fill the what action word. Some more action word you will have to fill by the watching picture. Okay, like we dash food. Yes, children, as you all know, children, we should eat healthy fruit. Okay, when we eat fruits and vegetable, it become what we can fit health. We can keep ourselves fit and healthy. So there you will write action word. We dash food. So what you will write? We eat food. So it is a action word. EAT, eat. We eat food. Now we dash games. What? Yes, in playground, what do we like to play? Yes, so play is here action word. So there you will write play. We dash games. You all will write play games. And outdoor games keep us fit and healthy. Okay, children, so we play games. Okay, outdoor games, it means what? Outside of the house. We like to play outdoor games. It means what? Play. So in which, in this sentence, which is the action word? Play. So we play games. Play is here action word. Now we dash music. Spelling of music, music. There is C. Okay, music, music. So what? In this picture also you can see this girl is what? Listening music. So there listen is music. What? Listen is a verb. So there you will have to fill listen. LISLISTEN, listen. We listen to music. We listen to music. Now in this picture, see children, tell me which action is going on. Yes, these two boys are watching TV or television. So we watch television. Watch is a action word, or you can say doing word. So WATCH, watch television. Okay, we dash book. We read book. So there you will write read, READ, read books. We read books. In this picture you can see children are reading books. So read is an what? Read is a action word. Okay, read is an action word. Okay children, we dash song. What? Yes, we sing song. This girl is like to singing a song. So there she will, there I will write here what? Sing, SING, sing. We sing song. We sing songs. Okay, we dash kite. Children, what? Yes, what do you like? Yes, we fly kites. So there you will write fly. Fly is a action word. And what is needed for flying kite? Yes, wind is needed to flying kite. So children, there is fly. Fly is a what are they doing children? They are flying kite. So fly is an action words. Understood children? Now we dash later. Yes, we write later. Okay, we read book but we write letters on. Okay, so there you will write like right now I am writing. Okay, so write is what? Action word. WRITE, write letters. We write letters. We dash daily. What? We exercise daily. Yes children, when you do the exercise, it will keeps you what? Fit and healthy. So we should do exercise every day. So exercise is spelling EXERCISE, exercise. Exercise, we exercise daily. We dash in air children. Yes, we what? Be children, you will have to fill here. Okay, we dash in air. So we breathe in air. So children, these are what? These are action words. You will have to fill the action word. Why? What? Using this picture. Okay, by the help of picture, you just see the picture, and by the helping of picture you will have to fill the blank space. And what you will have to fill? Yes, action words or doing words. Okay children, this is also called verbs. So now children, one more thing today you will write down in your copy. This is your book work. Now one thing you all are going to do then copy. First you will try to learn and try to understand. Children, today you all will do the general awareness. So okay, so by the asking question you will have to complete this what? General awareness. So let's start children. And you should know children what is happening in your society. Okay, which is the highest, which is the biggest, you should know. So by this why this watch video you can understand, and you can learn many things. So let's start children. Today you all will like children. First question is here: who is the finance minister of India? Okay children, do you know who is the finance minister of India? First, before children, do you know what is the work of finance minister? Yes children, this lady, what her name is? Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman is the finance minister of India. She is the current finance minister of India. And what do you know children about the work of finance minister children? Finance minister is the most important important after the prime minister. She is responsible for fiscal policy of the budget. Okay, It means our country exponent what expense and income and expenditure, everything she handles. Okay, so that means what fiscal policy or budget. See, so what she shows budget in to our society. Okay, so she is most important after prime minister. Okay children, and now next question is here. So who is the vice president of India? What is written there? Yes, Venkaya Naidu. VANKAIAH, Venkaya Naidu. NAIDU, Naidu. Do you know children about the Venkaya Naidu, children, about the vice president and its work and his work, children? Yes, what vice president of India is the second highest constitutional office in India after the president. Yes, the vice president acts as a president in the absence of presidents due to the death, resignation or other situation. Yes children, after what, in the absence of president, what, he works there. Okay children, so who is the vice president of India? You will have to say Venkaya Naidu is the vice president of India. Don't forget children, Nirmala Sitharaman is the finance minister of India and Venkaya Naidu is the vice president of India. Now move to the next children. There is what, which is our national currency? What do you know children? Yes, rupee. This is the sign of rupee, or you can say sign print. This is the symbol of rupee. When we speak 2 rupee, so you will put the sign of rupee and then you will write 2. That is what, 2 rupee. Okay, so the what, which is our national currency? You will have to say rupee is the what, rupee is our national currency. And also what do you know children? The Indian rupees is the what, official currency of India. The rupee is subdivided into 100 paise. It means 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to what? 1 rupee is equal to what children? What you will have to say? Yes, 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay children, now what, now this is also children, it is the source. By using rupee we exchange okay, we exchange goods. Okay, when we need, if we need any goods, we buy from money that is in rupee. Okay children, now which is the national aquatic animal of India? Do you know? Yes, dolphin. DOLPHINE. Sorry, DOLPHIN. Dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. And what do you know children? Also, dolphins have what? They have smooth and what, rubbery skin, and are what, also usually colored in some mixture of black, white and gray. Okay, so which is the national aquatic animal? Aquatic already you are knowing. Yes, dolphin. DOLPHIN, dolphin. Okay children, now move to the next. There, yes, who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? Do you know? Yes, what, Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. SARDAR, Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel is what, is known as Iron Man of India. Okay, and also what, Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel is known as Sardar Patel. He served as the first deputy prime minister of India, and he teaches always, as you can see there written, manpower without unity is not a strength. Yes, means what, unity, he wants to say that unity is strength. He always say that we should always work in team. When we work in team, it becomes, the work becomes very easier. Understood children? So manpower without unity is not a strength. Understood? Now after that, next one is here. Who wrote our national anthem? First, what do you know about which is our national anthem? Yes, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath, Rabindranath Tagore, Tagore, Tagore. Yes, our national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore, children. And also what? Okay, and and Vande Mataram, that is our national song written by the Bankim Chand Chatterjee. So don't forget about what was national anthem Rabindranath Tagore, that is Jana Gana Mana, and national song Vande Mataram written by the Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Now next one is here. Next is, which is the largest river in the world? But before, children, do you know which is the largest river of our country? Okay, yes, Ganga is the largest river of our country. But here is asking about the world, so you will have to say Nile. Yes, Nile is the largest river in the world. Okay, in the world, on earth, what? Nile is the largest river. Now, who discovered India, children? Vasco da Gama discovered India by what? Vasco da Gama discovered India by sea route. Okay, he reached at Atlantic Ocean when the arrives at Calicut on the Malabar coast. Okay, so who discovered India? You will have to say Vasco da Gama. Okay, now after that, children, next one is here. Which is the largest and smallest country in the world? Largest. First, you just tell me the largest. Yes, Russia is the largest country in the world. And which is the smallest country? That you all will say Vatican City. Yes, Vatican City is the largest country in the world. Okay. Now, who is the first Indian woman? There, children, it should what? It should be A. Woman spelling there. Na? Here is one woman. So what? WOMAN. There you will write WOMAN, woman. Who is the first woman to climb Mount Everest, children? Do you know? Yes, Bachendri Pal. She is the first woman. Yes, she is only the first woman to what? Climb Mount Everest. Okay, and you all know, children, spelling about of Bachendri Bachendri, Bachendri, Pal, Pal, Bachendri Pal. And also, what do you know about this, children? Yes, it is also what about the Bachendri Pal, children? Bachendri Pal is an Indian mountaineer and who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Okay, now, so there you will write Bachendri Pal. There is spelling WOMAN. Okay, now, which is the tallest building in the world? Yes, tallest building, children. Yes, Burj Khalifa. KHALIFA, Khalifa, Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa hold the following records: tallest building in the world at over 828 meters and more than 160 stories. Okay, children. So Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. So now I am showing you the picture of Burj Khalifa, children. This is the picture of Burj Khalifa. Okay, Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, and she is what? Yes, she is Bachendri Pal. She is the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal. Okay, children. So hope, children, whatever I had taught you in this video, you all have understood very nicely. At home, try to learn also, and then after, you all will complete this work in your copy. So for today, once again, children, bye bye and have a wonderful day. Thank you, everyone.